Have you ever typed how to get started with cryptocurrencies into Google or YouTube and felt like the more you search, the more confused you become? Thousands of videos, gurus speaking in buzzwords, endless charts, opinions, and technical terms that feel like another language. It's not just you. The crypto world has become massive, and with that comes a wave of noise. Today, everyone is talking about blockchain, tokens, wallets, NFTs, staking, DeFi, and the next big thing. But precisely because there's so much information, getting started has become harder than ever. You're bombarded with contradictory advice. New projects appear daily, and often the people who are supposed to explain things just make it more complicated. Some focus only on trading. Others try to sell you overpriced courses. And some talk in a way that sounds smart, but leaves you even more confused. So what happens? You stop. You hesitate. You feel like you're behind or that it's just not for you. But what if it didn't have to be that way? We decided to do something different. Instead of throwing more noise into the mix, we created a space to cut through it. We've collected everything you actually need to get started with crypto. No hype, no jargon, no pressure. And we've made it simple, free, and organized in a clear path. Here's what you'll find on our platform. Downloadable PDF guides, short, focused, and beginner-friendly. Plain language articles, written to help you understand, not impress you. A glossary of over 500 terms, explained in real words, not tech speak. No ads, no fluff. Just clean, useful content designed to help you get started with confidence. We don't promise riches. We don't shill coins. We just help you understand what this space is about and how to explore it safely and intelligently. Because that's where real empowerment begins. The truth is, you don't need to be a programmer or a finance expert to use cryptocurrencies. You just need someone to explain the basics, clearly, honestly, and in a way that respects your intelligence. That's what we're here for. At blockchaindudes.com, you can start from scratch. Pick your level, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, and access the exact content you need right now. Maybe you want to learn what a wallet is and how to create one, or maybe you're curious about how Bitcoin actually works, or maybe you've heard about staking and just want to understand what it really means. Whatever your level, you'll find guides that walk you through, step by step. Everything is structured to take just a few minutes at a time. No hours of endless video. No pop-ups. No subscribe now before it disappears. We built this to be the site we wish we had when we started. So before you watch the next overhyped YouTube video, or click on a sponsored link from someone promising you 10x gains overnight, pause, take a breath. Then go to blockchaindudes.com. Start from the beginning. Read one article. Download one PDF. Explore the glossary. Start building real understanding. The kind that actually lasts and protects you. Because in crypto, knowledge really is power. And when you understand how this technology works, what it offers, and where it's going, you won't need anyone to tell you what to do. You'll move with clarity, with confidence, and most importantly, at your own pace. Crypto doesn't have to be overwhelming. You just need to start in the right place. If you're ready to take the first real step, we're here. Visit blockchaindudes.com and begin your journey the right way.